Hello students of class 9, hope everybody is doing good. So today we're going to learn a new chapter, data entry and keyboarding skills, which is there in your occasional skills in the textbook. So children, we all know that we are living in a modern world, and then everything is made easy only with the help of the computers. And nowadays typing also has become very easy and simple with the help of the keyboard. And nobody is preferring to write in the paper because it takes a lot of time. When you increase the speed of typing, it makes your work very easy, and it is also helping you to rewrite the text easily, and if there is any mistakes, it is easy for you to correct when you have it in the form of a document which is typed. So today we'll be learning about different types of keys which are used in keyboard, or various purpose of the keys in the keyboard. In that, the first one we are going to learn about is alphanumeric keys, and then the punctuation keys, then the special keys. Okay, first we'll learn what a alphanumeric key is. And see, a standard QWERTY keyboard has various keys. Like QWERTY design is nothing but the normal keyboard which you have. Like you can see in the picture, this is an example of a QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so first we'll learn about what an alphanumeric key is. See, alphanumeric keys are nothing but it combines all the letters and numbers on the keyboard, that is from capital A to Z, and numbers from 0 to 9. And these are used for typing numbers, symbols, and also letters. That is the main use of alphanumeric keys. You can see there in green color, and then in the red color where you have numbers from 0 to 9. And the next one, this is nothing but numeric keys like numbers from 0 to 9. This also comes under alphanumeric because alpha stands for alphabets and numeric stands for numbers. So that is the thing about alphanumeric keys. And the next one is about punctuation keys. What is the meaning of punctuation? We all know the different types of punctuation marks like full stop, comma, and then semicolon, colon, brackets, parentheses. All these are examples of punctuations. Now you can see there in the keyboard there are a few highlighted things. Those are examples of the punctuation marks, and in the topmost row you have only one mark. The whole row has combination of different type of punctuation marks. Yeah, so they also refer to all the mathematical operators like plus sign, minus sign, equal to. All these also it will be represented with the help of the punctuation keys. And the next one is special keys. Under special keys, the first one we're going to learn about is spacebar. So you know what a spacebar is used for. It is helping us to leave space between any two words. And the next one is enter key. So enter key is helping you to move the cursor to the next line or a new line. Sometimes it is also called as return instead of enter. Okay, and the next one is backspace key. So backspace key, what does it do? It is helping you to delete the character just which is left of the cursor and moves the cursor to that particular position. That is backspace. And delete key is also used to delete the character, but not like backspace key. It deletes the character just to the right of the cursor, and what happens is at the cursor point or at any selected object you can be deleted with the help of the delete key, but not with the help of the backspace key. Okay, and the next one is about arrow keys. We have 4 arrow keys: up, down, right, or left. So what is these arrow keys are used for? These are mainly used to move the cursor's position from one place to another place. That is the main use of the arrow key. And the next one is caps lock key. You know very well that it is known as a toggle key because once you want it, you can on it, and once you turn off it, it will be uppercase and lowercase. So when activated, all alphabetic characters will be in uppercase. That's why we call it as toggle. Toggling is shifting between both the keys, both the options, either uppercase or lowercase. And the next one is shift key. Shift key is known as which key? Modifier key, because it is helping you to modify any kind of letters into capital letters or into uppercase alphabets. And typically there are 2 shift keys on the left and right side of the row below the home row. Yes, that is the place of the shift key where it will be placed. And the next one is the control key. So what is the use of control key? The name itself will say that it's going to control. So it is going to control the characters. So the meaning of each control character depends on which program we're going to run. Based on that, the control keys function will differ. And the next one is Alt key, ALT. So this is called as a helper key. Shift key is called as a modifier key. Alt key is called as a helper key, because if you're going to use it with any other keys to produce control characters, you can combine any characters and use it. Okay. And the next one we're going to learn about is function keys. As we know, the function key starts from F1 to F12. Each key has its own function in different programs, whatever we run. In Word, the function will be different. When you use a different programming languages, the function will be different. Okay. And the last one is escape key. So this escape key is mainly used to send any special code to devices, and mainly it is helping us to exit from any program or any task. Okay. So children, in this video we have just learned about the different types of keys available in keyboard, and how to master typing we'll be learning in the next class. Okay.